Find a way, make a way, take action. When you feel like you're getting nowhere with your business, find a way. Hi, I'm Deborah Shaw with DeborahLynnShaw.com. Take a few minutes, reevaluate your tactics, and take a new direction if necessary. Expecting instant results will often lead to doubting your decisions. Sometimes you just have to trust your gut. It takes time to build a business. Think of building your business as training for a marathon. You build step by step, a little more each day, and soon it will run like a well-oiled machine. First, have a clear vision of what you want, what you expect with your business. Second, determine to implement something new in your business, if necessary, to break the monotony, and do it first thing in the morning, and do this every day. Third, persevere. Keep on working regardless of obstacles. There will always be problems that arise. Just keep. Fourth, when you make a decision, act on it fast. Don't overthink it. Too often entrepreneurs spend hours and days and weeks and sometimes months and years learning and never taking action. Take quick action often, bringing you profitable results. Decide to take action and figure out the details on the way. Learn now the tremendous power of taking daily, fast action. Take action today. Find a way or make a way. Work as though your life depends on it. Certainly, your lifestyle does. I'm Deborah Shaw with DeborahLynnShaw.com. Remember, you have everything you need inside yourself to be successful. You are empowered for abundance. Take care.